Hello there, welcome back. So on this 2001 Chevy Venture, I just want to show you what the airbag assembly look like for your car and the type of tool I use. So all you need is this screwdriver right here. So it's a T27 times 4 and star tip. That's it right there. So as you can see right here, this is where the airbag plug go, and down in this hole is the clock spring. That black thing here that it plugged to is the clock spring, and right here for the horn, left and right, you can see. So if I press it, the horn goes off. There I go. So I'm just gonna fit it in back. The reason why I pull this is because I noticed I feel a little play in the steering, so I was wondering if the nut behind it slack. So when I check it, it didn't slack, so I just decided to do a video to show you what the airbag assembly look like. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye.